Guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen, and have I got a treat for you. It's pizza time, so let's get cooking. But before we do that, let me say that all of the ingredients used in this video will be listed in the link below for you. So guys, let's get cooking. Woohoo! First up, we have got 2 cups of strong bread flour in the bowl here, and we are going to sift in some salt, some sugar, and some baking powder. Let's start off with the baking powder, some salt, some garlic granules, some sugar. We're going to give that a good mix so that all of the ingredients are combined before we add the olive oil and the water. We give that a good mix, and then we just keep on adding the water until it's fully combined. Now it's time to get your hands dirty to bring the dough together. Now the bowl is clean and the dough is ready. This is a yeast-free pizza dough, so we don't need to prove it. So let's dust the surface with some flour and knead the dough for 5 minutes, and then roll it out into your desired pizza shape. I'm using a 12-inch pizza pan here, and I've sprayed it with some olive oil. And now I'm going to transfer the dough onto the pizza pan. Let's give it a little nip and tuck here and there. Now that is looking perfect. Time to brush it with some olive oil, just so that we can get a nice crispy base, seeing as it's a yeast-free pizza. Time now for my homemade pizza sauce, but of course you can use shop bought. The toppings that I'm using on this pizza today is my preference, so feel free to add your own toppings and make it yours. I'm using half a cup of cheddar cheese here. Some sliced red onions, some pitted black olives, some prosciutto and salami to give it that incredible Italian taste. I like it loaded, as you can see. Now for some torn basil for extra flavor. Here comes the mozzarella. And some black pepper. Last but not least, some good quality olive oil. Doesn't that look pretty? It's all ready to go in that oven, preheated at 200 degrees centigrade for about 13 to 15 minutes, or until fully cooked. And there you have it, guys, my delicious yeast-free pizza, approved by an Italian. Enjoy!